Happy Mother's Day, everybody. For a day or two late, just wanted to say hello and hope all the moms out there had a great Mother's Day this past weekend. Everybody at my house, all the BMW family is all here this weekend, so we're certainly celebrating our moms, daughter-in-laws and moms and all that. So happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. Hey, let me jump right into the calendar right quick. Pretty cool things coming up. So on the 16th, we have Cars and Coffee at Fort Myers. Come on out and join us there. Always a lot of fun. May 21st, Sarasota lunch is the FSC ZSCCA at Ford's Garage. That's on the 21st. And then on the 26th is your Jacksonville dinner meeting, Corky Bell's Seafood. Wow, what a cool place. I've been there a couple times in my world travels. Come on out and join us on the 26th there. On the 30th is the Florida Suncoast and ZSCC breakfast in Bradenton. And there might be a drive that breaks it after that. Who knows? We'll see. And then on the 6th of June, let me go that far in advance. The 6th of June is our Sarasota Cars and Coffee at BMW Sarasota. And immediately following that is our drive over to our lunch in St. Petersburg out on the beach. The restaurant and everything is listed in the RSVP, so go out and do that. This is an X drive, but if you don't have an X, that's okay. Come on in and join us anyhow. We're going to be bringing one of the X's with us. Don't know yet which one. We'll toss a coin, and we're going to have one of our X's with us on the drive. And if I could talk her into it, maybe two, probably just one. But come on out and join us. Our first adventure into the X's. There's going to be a really cool announcement at that meeting, and so come on out, or at that lunch drive, come on out and join us. A lot in store for the chapter, so just come on out and join us, and be a lot of fun. Again, happy Mother's Day for all those moms that we just celebrated this past weekend, and happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Okay, bye now.